Okay, Jennifer, I knew that I was forgetting something. One of the most important features for the game kit is that the kids, my students, can make their own kit, okay? And this is called Kit Collab, and is this option the second from the last. So I'm gonna click on Kit Collab, continue. I'm gonna name it, let's say Classroom Objects, and then you're gonna pick the language, of course, Spanish, and then the subject, World Languages. In here, I have the option of getting a picture from the Unsplash tab, or I could also get the link going to Google search and look for a picture, and in that picture I'm gonna get the link of that picture, copy and paste it in here. Okay, once I pick the picture, it will take me to this page. So as you can see, classroom objects, Git collab. I'm gonna pick the class, it's gonna be my A3, and then continue. Once I am here, in this side of the screen, the names of my students will appear. In this side, the questions that they work on the right side here, the questions that the students are working on are going to appear in this side. And as a teacher, of course, I will have the privilege of either reject them or redirect them, and or accept the good ones, of course. Okay, and the other feature that this game has is that remember Perdec, and in Perdec we could do our note cards, with for vocal words. In those note cards that we worked on, after we do all the checking, the quality control, and ship them, those sets of cards can be also um, taken to GimKit. Okay, all of them came to GimKit. That's it, and I hope that I will convince you more. Okay, I'm persuading you. Okay, thank you. Bye.